What is the core of the beauty? Every individual's brain associates with this word own unique meaning. In the modern technological world, beauty not rarely associates with nature and its relaxing effect. And what about the city? The city is usually accepted as huge artificial organism that melts human lives. But are all cities the same? Maybe there is another side of the icon. Russian scientist Filin produced the research that relieves the possibility of detection of the visual stress by the close study of rapid eye movement saccades. Let's see these three scenarios. Filin divides urban environments on homogeneous, aggressive, and optimal. The main criterion of such division was, as in many other researches, the complexity. In other words, the fullness of elements of the particular scenery. Aggressive visual field, too many elements. Homogeneous visual field, not enough elements for fixation. Optimal visual field, number of elements is sufficient. According to Filin's theory, both the homogeneous and aggressive cities cause the feelings of discomfort, fatigue, stress, epilepsy, depression, puking, and other appearances of cognitive load.
There is a growing interest in studies that use saccadic eye movement as indicators of visual stress. At the same time, we know that stress may have impact on aesthetic evaluation of landscape and cityscape.
In our research, we tried to question the connection between the aesthetic evaluation of scenery and human body physiological response to it. Such response we measure by the heart rate and rapid eye movements. By the usage of magnetic search coil technique, we can get the data about the eye location in each millisecond. Each tested participants will get the set of images which were selected according to Filin's division. Each participant will receive polar watches set in order to measure pulse. According to the preliminary data received at the pilot stage, it is possible to trace the trends of influence of complexity upon three used parameters. It was found that decorated city and nature are causing the biggest number of saccades per second that can point to strong interest from the audience. At the same time, the aggressive city sceneries caused the appearance of saccades with the highest amplitude, which according to Filin leads to the sensation of cognitive load. We noticed changes in the heart rate even during the completion of questionnaires. The lowest average was spotted of the natural and village sceneries. Screening the city scenes, mostly aggressive ones, show that the average of pulse measured was higher. So what forces us to evaluate one landscape as beautiful and contrary with another? The aesthetic evaluation of chosen sceneries selected according to Filin's division show that the major influences of the perception of beauty causes by interest, as in case with eye movement. Next to it stand together complexity and feeling of stress caused by the scene itself. This way, we can announce that there is connection between three factors. This connection points on different levels of influence of decorated and not decorated city. In today's architecture, there are some successful solutions which are answering to the new standards such as LEED. Unfortunately, this is not a common rule. So why there is no aesthetic parameters included in the existing building regulations? Maybe this very tiny part make the world more beautiful, kinder, and human.